everyone, welcome to VONNIE Talk. Today we are dividing into the world of metal processing, focusing on vital pieces of equipment, the metal horizontal straightening machine. We will uncover the advantages this machine offers and why it is essential in various industries. Part 1. Overview of metal horizontal straightening machine. First, let's explain what a metal horizontal straightening machine is. Essentially, it's a device designed to straighten metal materials, such as bars and pipe, with precision. It uses a set of rollers to apply pressure and reshape the metal into a desired form. We will explore how this machine works. Part 2. Efficiency in production. One of the biggest advantages of using a metal horizontal straightening machine is efficiency. Unlike manual straightening machine methods, this machine can process large quantity of metal quickly and accurately. Full automatic manner with high efficiency can lead to lower labor costs and increased output. Part 3. Precision and quality. Precision is crucial in metal working, and horizontal straightening machine excel in delivering uniformity and high-quality results. The ability to control the straightening process means you get consistent thickness and shape in your metal products. After straightening, the straighteners can achieve less than 0.3 mm per meter. Part 4. Versatility in applications. Metal horizontal straightening machines are incredible versatile. They can handle a variety of metal types, including steel, copper, and aluminum, making them suitable for industries ranging from construction to automatic. Part 5. Durability and long-term investment. Investing in a metal horizontal straightening machine is not just about immediate benefits. It's also a long-term investment. These machines are built to last, designed for heavy-duty use, which reduces the need for frequent replacements. To summarize, metal horizontal straightening machines offer incredible advantage in efficiency, precision, versatility, and durability. Whether you are a small workshop of a large manufacturing plant, investing in one of these machines can significantly enhance your production capabilities. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment below with your experience or questions about metal straightening machines. See you next time.